following. First is to thank all those leaders who came together to start this wonderful national practice of a National Prayer Day and National Prayer Breakfast. I grew up in a family of a Methodist cleric, and there was some little message in our living room, which was in Swahili. And I've seen in many Christian homes a similar, especially while we were growing up. I don't know whether it's the same today. So there was a small thing in our living room hung up there to the effect that a family that prays together stays together. For a nation, I believe equally, just like a family, a nation that prays together will stay together. There is hope for Kenya. Number two, Your Excellency, I also want to say that this event helps us to reflect on our common destiny and take stock. And I believe it's the practice in many other countries that have a similar tradition. It's good to take stock of our journey as a nation so that we can look at what we've done well, maybe what we have not done so well, and from the scriptures and the sharing and the songs and the prayers which have been made here, we have had good moments and maybe other moments which we would have done better. And that is a good thing also, Your Excellency, because Socrates, one of the greatest philosophers, did say that a life unexamined is not worth living. It is good to examine ourselves at every point, reflect, and take stock, so that we are not on one continuous journey making good speed, but without the reflection to help us understand whether we are doing things right. And many times when we reflect, we'll find areas to correct, improve, and make the journey ahead even better. I say so because, Your Excellency, a story is told of a pilot who announced to his passengers that, ladies and gentlemen, we are making very good time. We are cruising at very good speed. But the good news ends there. The bad news is that we've lost all our instrumentation and we are not sure where we are going. So if we do not have time like this to reflect on our country's journey, we may miss one or two things there, and just like this pilot, be making good progress, but we are not sure that we are making progress to our destination. Your